How did Israel strike successfully in Iran? According to reports, Israel's operation was planned and executed with precision. A few weeks before the actual strike, Israeli agents and Special Forces commandos infiltrated Iranian territory. Their mission, to discreetly position munitions and drones near key Iranian air defense systems. Just before the aerial attack, these devices and drones were activated from within Iran. This secret operation disabled Iran's air defenses and rendering them ineffective. With the skies unprotected, fighter jets as many as 200 launched a coordinated assault on Iran. They targeted nuclear facilities and military installations with accuracy. The operation also resulted in the elimination of several high-ranking Iranian officials. This caused a significant blow to Iran's strategic capabilities in a few hours.